In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the style of your online store using Sellfy. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your website or just make some strategic visual tweaks, personalizing your store's buttons can have a big impact on the overall design and user experience. Let's step through how you can achieve this effortless makeover in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to log into your Sellfy account and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you should see an option labeled Store Settings. Go ahead and click on that, which will lead you to the area where you can really start to have fun with your store's aesthetics. Within the Store Settings menu, you'll find an option called Customize Store. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this gives you various options to tailor your store's appearance to better reflect your brand identity. Now, to specifically focus on your button styles, you will need to head to the Store Style section. This is where you can make those key adjustments that will make your buttons pop and ensure they complement your site's theme perfectly. After accessing the button style settings, you'll have a few different areas you can customize. First up is the button background color. This is the color that will form the base of your buttons, and choosing the right shade is crucial as it can influence how users navigate your store. To select the best color, think about your brand's color palette, or choose a color that you believe will drive engagement. Next, you have the option to change the button text color. When picking this shade, ensure it contrasts well with your button's background color, as this will make your text easily readable. A good rule of thumb is to aim for high contrast, such as light text on a dark background or vice versa, which is really key for usability. Another feature you can modify is the corner radius of your buttons. This essentially determines how rounded the corners of your buttons will appear. You can go for sharp, square edges for a modern and sleek look, or opt for rounded corners to give a softer, more approachable feel to your buttons. Whatever you choose, ensure that it fits in harmoniously with the rest of your site's design elements. Finally, it's important not to leave all your hard work unaccounted for. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you need to make a decision on how to finalize them. If you're still tweaking and want to revisit these adjustments later, you have the option to click Save Draft. This will keep your changes safe without making them visible to the public. Alternatively, if you're happy with how everything is looking and you're ready to roll these changes out to your live store, simply click Publish to apply the new styles instantly. And there you have it. Customizing the button styles on your Sellfy store is straightforward and can make a noticeable difference in how engaging your store looks to customers. Experiment with different styles and see what works best for your brand and your audience.